Beardstown Main Street invites you to the annual Taste of Beardstown in Beardstown's beautiful downtown square.
A Taste of Beardstown presents the unique ethnic flavors of the Beardstown area, including all the traditional favorites. The Beardstown Rescue Squad presents their famous fish dinner, and Cargill will be selling pork sandwiches. Come and enjoy authentic Mexican and Latin American cuisine, represented by several vendors, including La Familia Bakery. The Taste of Beardstown features over 17 food vendors this year, offering specialty food items that will satisfy everyone's appetite. Enjoy great free entertainment all day long with some local favorites.
Come on down and drink with me. Hey, bartender.
Don't miss the food and fun at the Taste of Beardstown, Saturday, August 27th.